Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play WWE 2K23 on Chikki. First, you'll need to download the Chikki app from your mobile device's app store. Chikki is a cloud gaming platform that streams PC and console games directly to your phone or tablet. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, to minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. This setup is crucial for enjoying your favorite wrestling action. Once the Chikki app is installed, the next step is to create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, navigate to the search bar, typically found at the top of the screen. Type WWE 2K23 into the search field to locate the game. You can then add it to your personal game library for quick access or simply select it to begin your gaming session immediately. It's a straightforward process. After selecting WWE 2K23, you'll likely enter a queue. Chikki operates on a cloud server model, so you might need to wait for an available slot. The waiting time can fluctuate significantly, ranging from just a few seconds to potentially several minutes, depending on how many other players are currently using the service. Be patient. Once your turn comes, the game will automatically launch, connecting you to the cloud server. When the game launches, you'll have two primary control options. You can utilize the on-screen touch controls, which are integrated into the Chikki interface. Alternatively, for a more authentic and precise gaming experience, I highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller to your mobile device. This will give you better command over your wrestler and moves. Now you're ready to enjoy WWE 2K23 on the go.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.